So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create unlimited static ads with the workflow inside of Playtor. Now, Playtor is a platform similar to Weavy and FreePick Spaces, but the reason I am using Playtor is because there are just some certain stuff that Weavy can do, and I prefer Playtor, especially some creative assistance that I will show you later in the video. So first things first, before we even start creating static ads for our brand, we can do a competition analysis. Here I have found a similar brand, competitor brand, and I have put here their ads, as you can see, and I have extracted all the ads that they are running currently on Facebook Meta. Now my internet is a little bit lagging, but you can see all the ads that they are currently running here. And I have also here put their Instagram account, and with this you can extract their IG posts. Now here, as you can see, I have set the brand context, which is the name of the brand that I want to create static ads for, the website, and also the brief. And then what this agent, we have a creative assistant here that I will show you. This creative assistant, basically what it does, it extracts all the details from the website of the brand and all the guidelines, and then based on that you can create basically a prompt that will generate you these ideas for your static ads. Now here we have another creative assistant that is, as you can see, expert creative strategist specializing in crafting prompts that generate high-performing advertising visuals for AI image models. So what I mean by these creative assistants, before we get into this workflow more, I'll show you here. You can add a note basically, and you can put here generate text prompt, and okay, send us here, never mind. And as you can see, this is what Playtor has that Weavy doesn't have, which are these creative assistants where you can pretty much choose whatever you need. For example, let's say I need a Nano Banana prompter. I can just click on this and automatically you get a prompt, you get a system prompt for your own creative assistants, and then you can connect this to the other nodes, and pretty much that's how you generate your prompts, pictures, and so on and so forth. So let's get back to this workflow. Now, after we have extracted the brand guidelines, brief, and everything from our brand, then what we do, we use some reference ads that this brand is already running. This is a Gemini fitness brand, like a supplement brand, and these are some of the pictures I extracted from their website, but also some of the static ads that they are running. And this is just for us that because when we create these static ads, we have some references to take from. We know how the product looks and we know how the static ads are made. Now what we do here is we just put our little touch on it and make it 10 times better. Here, as you can see, we have generated our prompts. This is connected to the visual reference and to our creative concepts brief. And then based on this, Gemini generates us, as you can see here, different prompts that we can use for our static ads. Now I have put this here, as you can see, in these lists where you can pretty much choose whatever prompt you want to set here and then click generate. And after we have extracted all the prompts for this node, then we can go here and set up Nano Banana Pro and press generate pretty much. As you can see here, you can choose multiple image models that you want to use. Obviously, we use Nano Banana Pro because it's the best. And then we hit generate or run. And this is what we get. We get multiple ads. I'll show it on the screen here for you so we don't have to go through everything. But you pretty much get all these multiple ads from this workflow. Now you can set up as many as you want. As you can see here, I have told him that I want specifically 10 prompts, but you can change that to how much you want. You can put it to 100, you can put it to 200. As you can see here, split each of 10 prompts by. Now obviously you can put here 100 prompts, you can put 50 prompts, 20, 30, doesn't matter. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this workflow in this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and comment, because I'll be making more videos and I'll be explaining more how the platform works, Pletor, Weavy, FreePick Spaces, and general AI content. So if you're interested in AI content and creating content, Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.